Rubber stopper, aluminum cap washing machine, especially designed for rinsing, sterilizing, and drying of pharmaceutical rubber stoppers and aluminum caps. The equipment consists of washing tank, device frame components, control system, the inner tank, vacuum system, rear door pull-out structure. Fresh air pipes, cleaning system, sterilization system, transmission system, discharging system. Process flow. Feeding. After the feeding preparation is ready, press feeding button. Vacuum pump is open automatically. Then the tank body is at negative pressure state. The conveying pipes push the spring door so that rubber stoppers can be sucked into inner tank. Washing. A. Rough washing, about 5 minutes. Open the inlet valve and drain valve of water at the same time. Spray purified water to clean the surface dirty and then draining out of tank. B. Rinsing, about 10 to 15 minutes. When water is filled and reaches upper limit level, open the cleaning device, such as central spray tube, to start strong flushing. The ultrasonic device or impact device carry out cleaning for the bottom rubber stoppers of the inner tank. Floating dirty is drained out through overflow nozzle. The bottom dirty is drained out when cleaning is finished. C. WFI flushing, about 5 minutes. Feeding water for injection. The surrounding 360 degrees spraying pipe rotates along with the inner barrel to clean the inner wall of tank and the outer wall of inner barrel with every corner, cleaning thoroughly for the whole tank. D. WFI fine washing, about 10 to 15 minutes. Feeding WFI till it reaches the upper limit. Open the cleaning device again. Rubber stoppers are strongly flushed by central spray tube. The ultrasonic device or air impact device carry out fine washing for the lower rubber stoppers. The dirty is drained out when fine washing is finished. E. Sampling. Open sampling valve to get water. Test the clarity level of water, and if it is qualified, then start next process. Siliconization. Siliconization can be done after rinsing. Fill WFI till its level reaches upper limit, and when the temperature is about 80 degrees Celsius, put silicone oil. Inner tank keeps rotating for 10 to 15 minutes, then draining, and siliconization is finished. Refill WFI after it's drained out completely. Surround 360 degree spraying tube flushes the whole tank. Dry the residual water by clean compressed air after flushing. Sterilization. Pharmaceutical rubber stoppers generally adopt steam sterilization. Open vacuum pump before steam entering. When vacuumizing timing is off, open steam inlet valve. Steam enters through central spray tube and steam nozzle at the same time and distributes evenly soon, circulating for 3 times to ensure the steam purity. Refill steam after pulsing vacuum is completed. Inner tank rotates slowly and the temperature retains at 121 ± 1 degree Celsius. The equivalent time is about 30 minutes, calculated by FO value. The sterilization was completed. Drying. Vacuum drying. After sterilization, open the vacuum pump to keep the tank at vacuum state. The water on the surface of rubber stoppers is continuously evaporated and exhausted. Hot air drying. After vacuumizing, heat the air inside of tank by the circulation of electrical heating device to evaporate the surface and internal water of rubber stoppers. Then vacuumizing again to exhaust the residual water. After drying, exhaust the residual water in the bottom of the tank by residue exhauster to keep dry. Cooling. After drying, the hot air is changed through vacuumizing and clean air of normal temperature, so that the heat is taken away and temperature is declined until it meets the discharging requirement. Patented rear door pull-out structure. The inner barrel can be pulled out of tank body after removing the connected bolts, which is more convenient for manual inspection and maintenance. Discharge and transfer. There are 4 main ways of transformation. 1. Double-layer sterile bag transfer. Adopt ORUPS for discharge protection. Set heat melt sealing machine inside of isolation cabinet. Rubber stoppers discharge to sterile bags automatically through elephant nose discharge device. When bag is full, tie the inner bags and outer bags are sealed automatically, then transfer to the next process. 2. Isolation cabinet plus product barrel plus movable laminar flow car transfer. The transformation way consists of isolation cabinet, product barrel, movable laminar flow car. The product barrels are in the isolation cabinet during discharging. Laminar flow car is located in line with the isolation cabinet. Cover the barrel after discharge and open the automatic lifting door. Transfer the barrel to laminar flow car, then close the lifting door. Rubber stoppers are transported to next process by laminar flow car. 3. Overall isolated transfer. The transfer way requires that the discharge nozzle of the washing machine should be in line with hopper of the filling machine. The distance between them is more than 4 meters. The sterile barrel is at the discharge position of washing machine. Startup guide rail conveying program after discharge. The full barrels are delivered to feeding position of the filling line and automatic positioning. Manually open the valve at the bottom of the barrel so that rubber stoppers slip to feeding hopper of the filling line to complete transport. 4. Pipe transfer. Transport pipeline is connected with permanent discharging structure of elephant nose. CIP and SIP are available. The pipe can be dried by clean compressed air. Remove the bottom drainage components to discharge. The discharge nozzle of the washing machine should be on the same level with hopper of the filling machine. The distance between them is 800 millimeters to 1200 millimeters and extends to hopper of the filling line. The room of washing machine needs to be raised about 1200 millimeters.